Good morning, everyone. Today is a very sunny day, and we are going for a boat trip. The boat is called Romantika, and it's a 6-hour trip. And I'm going with my dad. So let's go and find our boat, and I keep you posted.
10 o'clock embarkation.
Good morning. We will be both
Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
So, what's your booking name?
Joseph.
Joseph.
Yes.
Joseph Corella?
Yes.
Corella?
Yes, exactly. Have a lovely day and see you again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a lovely day.
So money paid. Now it's time to go board.
Hello, welcome aboard.
You know who made it.
It's a very nice boat. This is the launch area. Very comfy. Here's the toilet.
You know who made it.
Nice and clean.
You know who made it. You know who made it.
Springs. And this was a spa. So the hotel was a spa. It was built from the Italians. As a spa, it's bigger now. It has this architecture where it looks like a hammam from outside. If you look at it from above, it's like an omega, which is the last letter of our alphabet. Inside is Greek Roman, anyway, combination of all styles. We're going to stay here for 1 hour for a swim. The best spot to swim is over there. These rocks are a little cave. Narrow, not big, but pretty nice to swim through. Masks are available, snorkels, life jackets, of course, very much safe. Life jackets. After.
So the first stop is at Kalithea Springs. It's a 1-hour stop, and people can swim here. It's a very nice place. As you see, there are many other boats here. People are happy, swimming, enjoying drinks.
Very nice. Estonia Rhodes.
You know who made it.
So let's go and see our captain. He is in upper deck, so we have to go there. Hello, how are you? Can I make a video?
You can
about
drive if you like also.
Drive? Oh. What
And I
if,
can take a video of you driving if you like.
oh, what if I crash?
Actually, there is nothing to crash now.
Okay,
The
it's out.
captain will be next to you.
It's automatic, yes. So how long have you worked here?
This is our 7th season.
Okay, 7.
Yeah.
That's nice.
The captain here works something like 30 years already.
Okay, that's cool. It's a very nice boat.
You know who made it.
Now we arrived to the Quinn Bay, which is famous bay because it's named after an actor who made a movie here. So they say it's the best place for snorkeling. As you see, it's a very beautiful place. We can swim here, snorkel, and we stay here for about 1 hour. The boat trip with Romantika was awesome. We had a great day. It was 6 hours long and we had 3 stops. First one was at Kalithea Springs, 1 hour. The second stop was for 1 hour. And the third one was at Quinn Bay, where everyone got to swim and to snorkel and just relax. So it's a perfect choice if you want to just come, relax and swim a little bit. They offer free drinks and food 2 times during the trip. So it's very nice option. If you want to relax on your holiday, choose this boat trip. It's an excellent choice.